Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Stella here, and today I'll be unboxing some of the items that I received and some of the items that I got lately, and includes different things from shoes to bags to makeup products. So stay tuned. Let's check this out, the unboxing. Okay, first of all, let me give you some time to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and before we get this started. Okay, so let me start with, maybe I should start with the little items first. I've already opened this, but I just love it so much that I had to share. This is the Beaky makeup sponge. It comes in 2 packs, so I already used 1 pack, so this is the other pack. It's very soft, like it's amazing. I think I've been buying the wrong ones, so I love it. That's what I've been using a lot for my makeup. So this is what it's called. This is yeah, it's the Beaky beauty sponge, makeup sponge rather. So next, on still talking about makeup product. This is the L'Oreal. It's the Mega Mascara. Let's open this up. Just love the cover. So this is it, and this is it. So I can't wait to try this on. Heard so many great things about it, and can't wait to try this on. So this is the L'Oreal. I'll be linking everything below. And now let's share. This is Letterology. I have their bag. If you've been following me on my blog right here, you probably see me carry their bag. It's the camera bag, but I always carry it as a shoulder bag. I've been wearing their bags a lot. It has my initials SA on it, and this is more package from them. So let's open this up here too. So let's open this up. Oh my god. So I picked this, the caramel color. It's like a caramel brown color. This is your laptop envelope. So I can't wait to, and the leather, it's amazing. Very sturdy, very soft. I'm even speechless. I don't even know the words to describe it, but this is amazing. You can monogram your name, as you can see. I have my initials here, which is SA, and it has bags. So this will be handy for me if I want to put like some documents while my laptop goes in here. So I have a MacBook Air, so that's what I'll be putting in here. And let's see this one. What's here? So this is it. I just love the packaging. So this is another one. So now you can tell I have the different shades of brown, because the bag that I have, it's like a light brown. The envelope bag is like a different shade of brown, and this is the phone cover, which is another different shade of brown with my initials. So I know it's too early to start thinking of holiday gifts, but if you're looking for holiday gifts to give someone, it's not too early to start now. And you can get this customized different items for them. Mine has an SA on it. So yeah, that's that. So I have been looking at this bag for a year, and I wasn't sure whether to get the big size or the small size, but I finally decided to get the bigger. Finally decided to get the big size. So this is what it looks like. This is a Tory Boy Birch bag in the brown. This will be perfect for work. And so this is, it opens up here. Opens up right here. So if you push this back, you can kind of open it up. So yeah, has ton of space. So it has a pocket here, 2 pockets right here. Let's open this up. I just love how, I love the structure. I love structure bags. I love the structure. Love the color, the brown. I've been loving a lot of browns lately, and you can't go wrong with neutral colors, brown colors, because they go with everything. So this is gonna be one of my go-to work bags. So when I'm going to my 9-to-5 corporate job, this is my bag for this. I can already imagine it looking amazing. And take this stuff out, and it has a strap. It comes with a strap. So if you wanna go with a strap, you can. You can put the strap here if you want. But for the most times, I think I'm someone that always carry my bag with the top handle. But if you love the strap, you know, you can always carry it as a strap on your shoulder. But I prefer, for most times, I'll prefer to go like this. So I'll just slip the strap in here just in case the day I decide I don't want to wear it like that. So yeah, this is what second. So this is what it looks like. This is the bag. Sturdy. So the last but not least, Amwadi shoes. I got the glass clear one, and these shoes are so hard to find. As soon as I saw this red one, light bulb just went in my head. I thought about holiday season, my favorite time of the season, favorite holiday, and whatnot. So let's open it up and see. What it looks like. So I got the red one. I have the red clear, but this one comes with a book compared to the other one that I had that has the rayon. You've probably seen it on my post. In case you haven't seen it, you can check it out here. But this is the red clear one. So wrapped up. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I just love the heels. It's very comfortable, very, very comfortable. I typically wear a size 40 euro, so I stick to my regular size. This is amazing. Love the color. I really don't have much of red shoes, do I? I'm not sure, but this is really cute. If you're looking for something different, check this out. But I'll put the link. Hopefully it's still available. It's always selling out as soon as it shows up online. It sells out super fast. So, and if you're unaware, if you follow me on my Instagram right there, I always, whenever I see something that it's available or if it's on sale, I always link it up, and also on my newsletter. So this is it, what it looks like. Goes, I call them the Cinderella shoes. This is the adult version of Cinderella shoes, and they are super cute. Love the heel. Yep. So this is my holiday treat to myself. Can't wait to rock this. And that's it for the unboxing. So I'll link everything below, and I can't wait to style it. And make sure you check out my blog, jador-fashion.com. You get to see different ways that I incorporate all these items into my outfit posts. And for the beauty ones, you can always see that on my Instagram. And thank you for watching. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later.